So guys, welcome to my channel. This is Technology Plays. This is a VIP house. Build a house. Look at outside. This is so cool and good. So guys, so cool. And I will take care from my armors. Okay, so let's go. So meron ako dito mga laman. Yan, may crafting table. Chest pag may survival. So next island naman tayo. So guys, this is now next my build house, and this is my small house. Look outside, look inside. Look, he is so small. It's like a castle house. Look outside. This is empty. This is my bed. This again is empty. Okay. So guys, please subscribe my channel on Technology Plays. Dahil meron na po akong update na hindi na po GD. Sana po mapakinggan niyo po to. So guys, overview tayo sa last. So guys, this is my last build. This is a mansion. Okay, let's go inside. Wow, this is so cool. Look over there. Quarto co. Wow, this is my go. Wait lang. This is my fish. This is my squid home. And this is my last build. This is apartment. Look, hotel.
Alis na dyan.
Ding dong.
Ano yan?
Ding dong. So cool. Bye bye. Meow.